What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're going to do a walk around on a 1965 Mustang. This one here is, I believe, to be 302 under the hood. It's got a 5-speed transmission. Seems to run and drive pretty good. We were on the test drive. I want you to check that out. I can link the videos together, the last 30 seconds of every video. We'll give a vice versa, a walk around or a test drive. Check out maplemotors.com. We have close to 100 detailed pictures of this car inside out and underneath. Also have financing, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. One last thing, hit that subscribe button to see daily content. Post videos like this every day, and with y'all sharing the videos, it's helped us out greatly, so I want to thank you, and I hope you continue to do so. Let's get started. I like running down the lower panels when I do these videos, checking all that first, because that's usually where all the problems consist. But we will run around the whole entire car. You can tell this front bumper has been replaced. It's nice and clean. Even the lower part here, they must have had this stored inside for a while, because usually this picks up a whole bunch of chips and scratches, but it's in pretty good shape. Tires are in good shape on this one, running over the fender wells down the GT350 stripes that they added. Got a little bubble popping up here inside the stripe though. Coming on down this panel, there's a little crack inside the stripe. Coming up over the fender well, doesn't look too bad. Let's hit the midsection now. Door handle's in good shape. The trim around the window looks nice and clean. Do have a little bit of a messed up section here in the front, probably where the hood came down and chipped it. Coming across the top of this fender, there's a light scratch right there before the trim. The stripes have a metallic blue shine to them. They look awesome, but there's a chip up here. Trim around the window is pretty good, sticking up a little bit in the edge here. I went ahead and popped the trunk so I'm not flipping the camera around trying to get the thing open. See the dual exhaust in the back, and the stripes run all the way down to the lower fender there. Taillights have been replaced. Weather stripping has been replaced, but it's a little bit nicked up over here. Let's look up under this mat. It's a pretty good shape in here. Package tray's not all eat up with rust. And I will put the mat back in towards the end of the video. Let's go ahead and shut this trunk. Seems to line up pretty good. It is sunk down a little bit here. We do have some dimples popping up on top of this fender. We're gonna do the same thing on this side as I did the driver's side. We're gonna run down the lower quarters and check all them out first, because that's usually where problems consist. Tires are in great shape coming over the fender well there. I'm looking for any kind of Bondo. Anything just stands out. You can just see the door is hanging a little bit here on the edge. Usually that's due to hinges wearing down. There's a chip right up in the front here. All right, try to get my shadow out of the picture. Coming down the midsection of the car. See, the mirror's been replaced. The rubber around the vent window is in pretty good shape. We don't have it locked. We get on this side of things. Car's looking pretty good. Like I said, I walked around, pointed out any kind of chips, scratches. If I seen Bondo, if I seen it, it was not right, I tried to point it out for you. We're gonna go ahead and open the interior up, get her started, and then get us some undercarriage shots. Let's see what she sounds like. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Weather stripping looks good around the door. The bottom of the door is pretty solid. The jambs are nice and clean. See, the trim's been replaced inside here. Got my gear. Got your tunes back there. Headliner's in good shape. Interior's in good shape. 5-speed transmission. AC's under the dash, but it does not work. It's not hooked up. All right, let's jump in here and start this thing up. One of the heaviest clutches in the world. Let's see here. I think that battery's getting a little weak on us, or the timing may be off a hair. I didn't notice any issues riding down the road with timing, so we'll definitely check that battery when we get back to the lot. Gauges under the dash here are working, seem to be pretty accurate. Couldn't get my blower motor or anything to kick on in here, so that's going to need to be replaced and fixed. Wipers, they do work. No tilt column in this car. Y'all want to place your bets on the horn? You think it works? Oh, no horn on this one. But the tunes do work. The interior's in great shape. Did notice that idle is a bit high. See if we can adjust it. Let's just shut it off, why don't we? We'll go ahead and turn it back on. I was turning the idle screw down. I think I got the idle screw a bit low now. Let's see if we can fix that. I don't know, it sounds pretty good. There we go, much better. A little rough doing that with one hand. All right, as we're coming down with the hood, it's coming down nice and smooth. I gotta pull this latch. You gotta pull the underside latch, get it to come all the way down. Sounds like a little vibration coming from the grill here. It's the bumper. Tighten up a bolt on the bumper and get that to stop. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. Definitely go to maplemotors.com and look at those detailed pictures of the undercarriage. And on the test drive, I drive over with a spotlight and illuminate the whole underside of every video, every car that I do. So let's look up under here. I'm going to jump back in the car. We're going to get back on the road for the test drive. Be sure to watch that video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I want to thank y'all out there for sharing the videos. You're definitely the ones getting us out. We're the only reason we hit 200,000 is because of y'all. So hope y'all continue to do so. And maybe we'll hit 300 pretty quick this time. I'll be posting videos every day. And maplemotors.com will update every Monday with new inventory. I do have financing, I do have shipping. So go on over there and check that out. Test drive's located the last 30 seconds of this one. I'll see y'all later.